So are you looking for the best tinted moisturizer that's going to give you a really nice no makeup look? That's good for dry skin, and I also have really nice coverage with SPF. I picked up the Clinique Moisture Surge Sheer Tint, and we're going to try this today to see how much coverage it have, to see if it could be worn as a foundation, if it's going to cover any hyperpigmentation or dark marks. Really excited to show you guys how this performed today. So what I like about the tinted moisturizer, I like that it is very, very lightweight. It has hyaluronic acid in there. It has SPF in there, even for dark skin. Okay, you need to wear your SPF every day, girl. Okay, and it has no like bad ingredients in it, like no parabens or sulfates and all that kind of stuff. So I actually love Clinique. I use all their products anyway. I think that, you know, if you're not going for coverage, you can use this because remember, it is a sheer coverage. I believe that this is not really going to cover any redness because they don't have any color correcting properties in there. No color correcting colors in here. You can't replace a concealer using this. If you have any dark spots, hyperpigmentation, you do need to go and correct those first and then go on top with this. Another way that I like to use this is as a primer. So when I want a real dewy look, I would definitely use this in place of my primer and then use my foundation on top, and oh my god, girl, love it. That's how I feel about the Clinique Moisture Surge Sheer Tint Hydrator. I think that is really nice. I think that it's going to work perfect for the springtime. I think that it is going to work for those days that I'm just ready to get out the door really fast and just kind of want to even out my skin tone with added hydration in there for my dry skin. I do recommend this right here. It is a small, I think this is probably like a 1.7 ounce. But I mean, you don't need much. It's just a sheer tinted moisturizer. Okay, so it's not going to replace like your foundation. So on the Clinique website, this is retailing for $29.40, and I would definitely pay that for hyaluronic acid in my tinted moisturizer with SPF in it, because when you think about it, when you add all of the, you know, the price of all of them up, it's all in one. So $29.40 for me, I think that it'll be, it's a no-brainer. Go down in the comments, girl, and let me know, will you be trying the Clinique Moisture Surge, or which tinted moisturizer is your favorite tinted moisturizer, so I can give it a try too, girl, because I'm always on the hunt for a good makeup product. Like, who's not? So that's going to be it for now, you guys, and until next time, see you in my next video.